Number 1.
Numero uno.
There you go. Where did you put the trash can?
Right here. Just on the table.
Okay.
Bed.
Numero dos.
2.
For us,
Ew,
that.
it's sticky.
Oh my
Think we're
god.
crazy? Jacob's face is in the picture.
Jacob, you're breaking the camera.
Oh, I am. Oh my god.
Oh, ew. Here,
We got Lola.
you can have one. Yeah, we can't get it out. Oh, here's
4.
blueberry. Aren't the lemons ones that are really...
5. I gave her one.
Okay. 6. By the head, these are war.
Here, open one yourself.
Oh, seriously.
Not wart heads.
These are. This is number 7, right?
Shut up, Morgan.
I can't get them open. Here you go. Hey. Like a dog.
Oh.
That was,
seven,
that was
I think.
7. This is 8.
I can't get them open. I'm challenged.
You still have
9.
another shake.
9.
Dude, why did you do this?
I don't know.
Why did you molest us so bad?
What?
I couldn't help it.
What is this?
It's beautiful.
10. 10. 11.
10,
12.
12.
13. 14.
So disgusting!
Oh. 16.
Hurry, Jill. We only got 3 left in here. Here.
Cover upper.
You almost got them all,
18.
Jill.
19.
If you want one, you better save it. There's only 4 left.
20.
Dude, I would puke if I was her.
Oh, you got a hair on it.
Sick.
Spit it out. Spit it out.
It's just sitting there like, ew.
I almost smashed my head into Jacob. I was like, that was sick. Oh my gosh, she's going to just puke all over. I was like, where's the laptop?
Don't.
That was an
Ew. That was. So you got to 21? You got a 21 or 22?
I was 22.
21.
21.
Oh my god. How does your mouth feel right now?
Sick.
Stinging? My tongue does not feel well.
My
The cheeks
Why?
don't feel well.
Oh
She
my God.
did 18 pieces of bubble gum.
On your tongue up?
It hurts, feels like all raw and gross.
Mine feels stinging.
Did I spit on you? I don't think it matters anymore.
Did you get spit on?
Yeah.
You're on you. You're flying
Yeah.
open.